Oh my god, ano nangyari sa garahe? This is a mess. This is Danz Garage, and I'm the jack of all trades.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hi guys, today we're going to take a look at the new Ingco Air Washing Gun. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe now and hit that bell button for the latest videos and updates. So yun nga, it's been raining for almost about 3 days now. Meron tayong bagyong dumaan. And also, it's the monsoon season, kaya panay ang ulan. And also, hindi lang yon, nagkaroon ng paglindol kanina madaling araw. We are all asleep, kaya hindi natin naramdaman yung pag-shake. And I hope everyone is fine. Thank God walang masamang nangyari sa ating lahat. And after all, thank God, the aftermath is just like this. Yan po, grabe. Pinasok ng putik at baha yung garahe. But, buti na lang, we have the thing just for it. Well, previously I was just thinking of presenting this product just for car washing. But as events occur, we'll have a bigger test for it. Well, it's cleaning this mess up. And so the question is, Ingco Air Washing Gun, kaya niya bang mag-car wash? And also, kaya niya bang maglinis or mag-mud scrape ng floor? Let's see. But before that, let's unpack this little friend of mine.
Say hello to my little friend!
Okay. Let's do it from the bottom. Wow. This is the manual. Gandahan kay Ingco, maayos yung manual niya eh. So, malalaman mo talaga yung tungkol dun sa product. So, that's the parts. That's the model number. So, yun din, tinuturo niya kung saan nyo siya ikakabit. It's the compressor. That's the filter. And then to the air tube. Mga parts niya nandito rin. Very nice. Okay, down with it. Let's go ahead with this one. Tanggalin na natin yung mark. So this is it. It has a 750cc. Just don't know what it is. What does it mean? Pero dapat ito ml or what? We'll take a look. So meron siyang European cooler. Wala pa siya sigurong Teflon here. So we have to put Teflon here before we can fire it up. Let's take a look at the can. Meron siyang hose pa baba. So dito nagsasak in yung water, and then the airflow will go over here, then squirt it out right here. Kasama na yung water. So it's a solid can. Nice. Let's hook it up. That's good. So yan, bigyan muna natin yung Teflon. Like I said, dapat sabay dun sa flow ng thread para hindi niya kainin pag pinasok natin. Okay, that's enough. Put it in there. Gamitan natin ng wrench. Good. Ready to go. So guys, testingin na natin kung kaya niya talagang mag-car wash. Ng sabon. Now, try natin na meron siyang sabon para tingnan natin kung matatanggal niya talaga yung dumi. So, one thing, tingnan niyo yung pressure washer. So, try pa rin natin. Parang talagang hindi natatanggal yung dumi. Try natin adjust yung nozzle, diba? So, talagang wala. Paubos na yung water niya, pero hindi niya matanggal yung dumi. Try naman natin siya sa mud scraping. So finally, we have seen. Hindi ganun kalakas yung pressure niya. Hindi katulad ng mga regular na pressure washers. Hindi siya masyadong nakakatanggal ng dumi. Ang nangyayari lang ay i-spray niya lang yung motor and then parang mini-mist na lang. Pwede siyang gamitin pang soak. Pero then again, hindi siya masyadong mabula. Hindi kasi katulad ng mga regular pressure washer. Meron silang mesh na yun yung nagpo-produce ng bula. Para bumula yung detergent, ay kailangan ng mesh. It is how the soap makes its bubble para sa ating car washing. At sa pag-scrape naman ng ating floor, dahil hindi nga ganun kalakas yung pressure niya, halos hindi niya rin kinakaya. Yung pressure niya is just about 4 to 5 bar. That's about 40 to 60 PSI. That's pounds per square inch. At sa ating mga regular pressure washer naman, umaabot ng 6 to 9 bar. That's about 60 to 90 PSI. Na hindi na natin makahawakan yun dahil masakit na yun sa balat when the water is spraying on your skin. Hindi katulad nito na kayang-kaya pang hawakan yung pressure ng tubig yung ginagamit natin yung washing gun. So the ideal pressure for car washing is about 60 to 90 PSI. So all in all, sa car washing, maybe, pero hindi niya kakayanin. Sa mga maliliit na motor siguro pwede. Pero pagka yung mga malalaki na, lalo na sa car, kailangan mo mag-refill. Dahil maliit nga lang yung tank niya, di ba? And also, mud scraping. Maybe pa rin, pero hindi pa rin. Dahil hindi ganun kalakas ang kanyang pressure. Matatagalan kayo bago nyo matapos kung ano man yung gagawin yung lilinisin. Dahil hindi ganun nga kalakas yung pressure, kakaunti yung nakukuha ng dumi para i-overflow. So bakit mayroong air washing gun kung hindi para siya sa car washing? Para saan ba siya? Guys, ginagamit ito sa pag-engine wash ng sasakyan. Yun talaga yung true purpose niya. Hindi ito binuo o ginawa para mag-car wash. Merong ginagamit na cleaning solution na nilalagay dun sa tank at yun yung cleaning agent niya. Huwag din basta-basta gagamit ng ibang cleaning agent sa paglinis ng inyong engine like soap, car shampoo, or any other corrosive liquid. Dahil yun ay makakasira sa inyong air washing gun at magsisimulang magkalawang sa loob. At never dapat kayong gumamit ng gasoline panglinis dahil pwede itong sumabog. Guys, tandaan natin, oxygen and fuel plus a little bit of heat like spark will cause fire. So just use a regular cleaning solution dahil ito ay non-corrosive and non-volatile. So guys, sana may natutunan kayo sa video ito tungkol sa ating air washing gun. Before we end with this video, meron nga pala tayong shoutout corner para sa ating mga avid subscribers and sponsors, future sponsors. Shoutout kay Ma'am Chris, kay Daniel Pancho, keep it up dude, kay Edwin Slide from Alaska, and to Ping Ping, you're still very pretty. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you learned something and you want to know more, mag-subscribe. Libre lang yan. And to be notified about our latest videos and updates, hit that bell button. So dito na tayo nagtatapos sa video ito. This is Sir Dan from Danz Garage. And as always, ciao!